Now we will learn about a number formatting. For example, here we have been taken a number. These are the numbers we have, sales numbers we have. It is in a rupees. Okay. For example, I need sales then 3400 dot 00 paisa. Like that I need decimals I need after these numbers. Okay. To format it, what we have to do? We have to select the data, which one we need to format. We have to select, click and drag so that we'll select the data which one need to be formatted. Select the data, go to format, numbers. In numbers, automatic is there, that is the basic formatting will be there, basic numbers will be taken. If you like to make it as a text, it is not a number, you would like to make it as a text, you can select as a text. If you like to make it in a decimal point with the two decimal point, then we can select this particular number format here, so that everything will be represented with a thousand separator and decimal. Again, if you like to change the format to the percentage, if it is a percentage data, then you can use a percentage. For example, accounting side, you can use with your currency. Okay, you can use that one for the accounting purpose, or currency only for a currency, then we can say that your currency symbol will be there, but it will by default it is showing a dollars. If you like to have a more currencies, go to more format option here, more format option, more currency. Okay, more currency, there you can search for a indian rupees, indian indian rupee, select that one indian rupee and apply, so that everything will be shown in terms of the rupees, everything will be shown in terms of the rupees. This way we can use any type of the number whenever you like to change the format of the number, then we can use this particular option. The second thing is about changing a format of the date. Okay, date, if you like to change the format of the date, select that entire thing, select that entire data which one you would like to change, go to format, go to format, number, there we have a date. Okay, you can represent in terms of the like this, that is nothing but a month, date, then year. That format also you can use. Only time, if you like to record, you can use the time format here, or date along with the time you can use, or duration format, like just it will not be giving a am or pm like that time, it will give the duration 1 hour 2 hour like that. Okay, otherwise you can go with a more date and time format, more date and time format, there you can select which format suitable for you. For example, I need this format, then I will select that format, I will select that format and say apply, so that each and every data will be represented in that particular format. So to change the format of the date as well as for a number, we have to refer a format and number. There we can go with a more format to make it your own custom formatting, and some default formatting also available here, you can utilize both of them. Okay, this is about a number formatting and date formatting.